Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 10 best practices in backend development Python for beginners guys. If you're a beginner, you would like to learn in Python essentially. So this is the best things I'm going to explain guys. So please follow until you can watch this video until the end, and I'm going to explain very interesting things in this video guys. So essentially, guys, what you need to learn in first of all, like in solid foundations, both the database as well as the fundamentals of the Python, guys. So master the fundamentals, like in solidify your understanding of Python core concepts like variables, data types, control flows, functions, object-oriented programming, guys. Next is very important things is the basic of the database management, grasp the fundamentals of the relational database, SQL, and object relational mappers, ORMs, like SQL Alchemy to effectively interact with the databases in your applications, guys. So important things is a solid foundation. Next is very important coding practices, guys. Number one is the write readable code, use clear variable names, proper indentations, and comments to make your code understandable for yourself and others. Predominantly, and you need to learn leverage built-in modules also, guys. Like in Python has a rich standard library with the modules for various tasks. Utilize these modules instead of the reinventing the wheel. On the other hand, error handling is very important. That one is implement proper error handling, try, catch, and finally blocks, and to gracefully manage exceptions and prevent application crashes, guys, is very important. So next is more important thing, guys, in scalability and maintainability. Eventually, here modular design and break down your code into well-defined reusable modules, functions, and classes to improve organizations and maintainability, guys. In terms of version control, guys, in Git is very best, or Bitbucket or Git, and based on your company you are going to use it. If you are a beginner, if you would like to learn, it is the best in its free version. Just you can create your login credentials and create your account, and then you can push your code inside of the Git and utilize that collaboratively effectively and revert the previous versions if necessary, guys. Testing is a key, is very important. Unit test is the key, using the frameworks like unit test or PyTest to ensure the correctness of your code and catch bugs early in development, guys. So next is the basically, guys, in the security awareness is very important, and input validation, and always validate your input, prevent security vulnerabilities like SQL injections or cross-site scripting, guys. So while writing the code and while creating the any input or create the database input, update the input and anything else, guys. And so in this case, so to prevent any security vulnerabilities, you should be careful, guys, while writing the creating the any code, like in you can create any data or something else is very important, guys. And on the other hand, secure authentication, like in JWT token. I hope you heard about that. JWT out, these two are very important for authentication authorization mechanism. Protect your application from unauthorized access, guys. So yeah, that's all for all the security awareness and all this stuff, guys. And for the beginners and the backend, if you want to implement the backend, so here I would like to suggest you a few things, like in following these best practices will lay a strong foundation for your backend development journey in Python. As you progress, you can delve deeper into frameworks like Django or Flask to build more complex web applications or backend applications, guys. In terms of Django, guys, Django is more popular. Like in so many people are using it outside, so yeah, so you can go for it, guys. Django is very famous in nowadays, and our future is going to in the back end or front end. Front end is like in JavaScript. In back end, I would like to suggest you guys to go for the Python or Node.js. Which one is the best for you? You can go for it based on your requirement, based on your company requirement. If you in personally what I'm going to suggest to you guys, and go and learn Django along with the Python in both them, and build your more complex web applications, build your own projects, and creating portfolios, guys, essentially. So that's all, guys, in this video. These are all the top 10 things, backend development. If you want to do in a best practices, you want to do it in your if you want to learn, or if you want to do it in your projects, and you can keep in mind these 10 top 10 best practices. It will go to help you a lot, guys. So that's all, guys, in this video. We'll catch up in another video. Please like and subscribe my channel, guys, and we'll catch up in another video. Bye bye now.